It's not a new doctor, procedure, or building that's making the biggest difference at Bryan hospitals, but a new software system. Channel 8's Bailey Bischoff has more in today's Second Sunday Health Report.
Jason Anderson spends a lot of his time at the doctor's office.
Our oldest daughter, she's a specialist at Children's up in Omaha, and I see two specialists up at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota.
And it's typically pretty stressful to make sure all their doctors have the information they need, especially when his 14-year-old daughter Taryn is the patient.
You know, it used to be, you'd have to make sure that stuff had gotten faxed to the doctor or that they got the notes from a visit.
But Bryan Health adopted a new electronic record system called Epic. That's making a big difference for patients and providers.
From a patient satisfaction standpoint, their access to their medical records is tremendous. I think from a provider communication perspective, tremendous. Turnaround times on laboratories and notifications, much better. Ease of use to search for test results from a provider's perspective, drastically easier.
The biggest change that it's one system that every Bryan Health facility uses, whereas before different departments had different ways of keeping records and there was no simple way to share records between them. It's a story Justin and Taryn are familiar with.
Every time we would see the doctor, it felt like we had to start from the beginning with the things that were going on. And telling that story over and over again really cuts into the amount of time you're able to spend with the doctor.
He says recently his daughter was experiencing medical problems, but her regular doctor wasn't able to see her. With Epic, another physician was able to get a better understanding of Taryn's needs and recommended the best course of treatment. This ended in a new diagnosis and immediate action.
And all of that happened because she was able to come into the room to see the patient, look right at the chart, see all the stuff that had been in there previously, and know that she needed to consult with those other doctors.
Epic doesn't only give patients a better experience, but helps doctors do their jobs better.
Information is available, communication's better, and ultimately that leads to better patient care.
Providing peace of mind to everyone involved.
Makes it happen a lot faster, and as a parent, that's what you want, because the biggest thing you want is for your child to feel good.
In Lincoln, Bailey Bischoff, Channel 8 Eyewitness News.